Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2020 Catalina 313 DBD SCK. Had to read that off the tag there. So for starters, you're going to have a power front tongue jack, 2 big propane tanks, room for 2 batteries. It's a Legacy Edition, so it's a wood frame metal sided trailer. It's going to have the big pass-through storage. Heated enclosed underbelly, so if you're dealing with inclement weather, that's going to help your lines not freeze. 2 speakers outside. On the power awning, you're going to have 2 awnings, one off of the coach and then one off of the slide out to give you a lot of room to have tables and chairs when you're out barbecuing. You're going to see the solid steps here that fold right into the coach. Big grab handle as we walk in. To our right is going to be our bedroom. Wardrobe, walk around bed. And then it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So if you come around, you'll see that there's 2 entries into the bathroom. Nice big bathroom area, shower, sink. And this shower is a good size for bigger guys like myself, opens up. Then you have room for towels, other bathroom things here. So big deep slide out with your booth dinette. Then you're going to have your jackknife sofa, which is going to be another sleeping area as well. LED lighting all the way through. Nice L-shaped kitchen area to give you maximum amount of prep area. It's going to have a big double sink. And then you're going to have lots of storage up above. Put everything that you need to for your camping trip. Microwave, 3-burner stove here. Big oven, and then you're going to have your Norcold fridge and freezer. Pantry space to put your canned goods, popcorn, canned food. Now you have a fireplace that's going to work on 30 amp service. Home theater right here with your Furrion system where you can play DVDs, USB, Netflix and such, and then more storage up above. Now the main feature of this coach, what makes this one unique, you're going to have a half bath for the kiddos back here. So they're going to have their own toilet and sink. And then back here you're going to have room to sleep 3 kiddos. So you've got a sleeping area here, here, and here. If you choose to, a TV can fit right in here. And this one has a built-in ladder for the kids as well. Lots of windows back here, really a kid-friendly trailer. So if you have any questions on this 2020 Catalina 313, call Brandon Reagan at Guaranty RV 541-214-0223 and have a great day.